Hey guys, my name is Vipul Bhagat,
And I'm Shamli Bhagat.
and we are going to show you some of my technique and some of my show makeup, fashion show makeup
All the runway looks we've been doing over the years.
for all the designers who I have worked with it, and with their brief and with their looks, what they've come up, and I have delivered all my life, and so I'm going to share some ideas and share some of my technique, what I've used it all my life, and my green room. I'm just going to show you my green room, the way the makeup is happening and the way the things are going. So I'm going to teach you each and every technique what I'm going to share with you today.
The runway is a very creative job, isn't it, Vipul?
Yeah.
Because we have the designer's vision, then the choreographer's vision, our vision. So we've worked with I think we've been lucky to work with country's best of the designers, and we have gathered so much knowledge from them also. And today, I think we'll interpret a little bit of our own versions also. So
Yeah.
it's not going to be just one designer. We'll make it a compilance of many looks together.
I'm going to use I've already put some kind of baby, like a normal cream kind of a thing on her face. I'm going to go stage by stage and I'm going to show you what I'm using it. I'm using a foundation now and I'm going to show you how to blend the foundation. And that's the most important thing when you do a fashion show. And your base color has to be little more stronger as well, little. I have to show you how. I mean, see, it's all practical. So you keep watching me. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to
So you have
mix.
to go a little deeper with your base color than
Yeah.
your skin color. Otherwise,
I'm going to show you. I'm using a liquid foundation on her, and I'm starting it. Always check your color with the center of the point, so you exactly know how to choose your color. If it is a lighter, then you can go little more deeper. If you're gone deeper, then you can go add little bit of lighter color, so it just blends very well.
so how do you feel having me as a model, Vipul? Your
Very good.
privileged thing.
Very good.
We're using the quarantine time to the best.
I couldn't get best any of the, so I got my model right at my. I've been comfortable blending my foundation with the this blending brush, or I use a sponge. Either of it, I use it, but I use both actually. So I'm going to show you when to use a sponge and when to use the brushes.
Please feel free to ask questions if you have any. We'll be answering them as we go along. Hi, Sandra.
And always remember one thing, I'm using a warm light. I'm not using a white light. I'm using a warm light, which this is a white light. Can you see me? Can you see us? And I'm using a warm light. So warm light is always good to uh, do your makeup. And
Gives you more depth, I think, right?
exactly.
Yeah.
Because in white light, you always try to put little bit makeup more than the orange light.
Doesn't
Because you don't,
satisfy you.
yeah. Your application always has to be satisfied you. As if you're not satisfied, please blend it properly. Take your time. End of the day, your work is going to speak. So you need to do it properly and blend it properly.
Hi guys. Nice to see you guys. Putting up a hello.
Feel free to ask me questions if you don't understand. Enjoy yourself.
Hey Parul. Hi Nitin.
Close your eyes.
I'm just feeling something.
Blend your foundation till because she's wearing a off shoulder. So I'm going to use the foundation till her neck because your neck color should not be look different than your face color. Your blending has to be proper.
Hi Sudeep. Definitely if we get a chance for Kolkata, we will be there.
I remember I did Kolkata Fashion Week. It was fun.
Hema, hi. Which foundation and concealer are you using? We are using Estee Lauder products, MAC Liquid Foundation. And for concealer, Krylon is like our go-to product.
Remember one thing.
Which is the best primer, Tina is asking. So primer you can use from MAC or any moisturizer is also good. You use Strobe, I think, on me.
Yeah.
Strobe from MAC.
And always remember your base has to be very, very thin and very, very, it should sustain for more than like 10 hours or 12 hours when we do brides makeup.
Kriti is asking, at the times body color is lighter than the face and neck. Yet if the client is wearing off shoulder, how do we make the foundation color look equal?
You always have to choose your color from the neck. You cannot have your own color and then blend the out on the neck because rest of the body part is a lighter, so you blend with the lighter color then.
So you start from here and then go upwards, so that you can mix your colors and get the right perfect tone.
Look up, look up, look up. In the entire makeup, the foundation is like a very, very important thing because if your foundation is wrong, your entire makeup look wrong. So I feel choose your color in a right way and see through that your color doesn't look patchy. You have to blend it properly. Even your under eye, I always prefer my under eye to be very, very soft and not cakey because more you cakey you do it, more the lines will form on it. Please ask me any questions because this is what my base is going to be, and I'm going to show you the level of the way I go it and my how I use my technique onto it.
Some contouring time now, which I really enjoy. I think it's the ripple. Yes. Good brands for foundation. So MAC is a lovely has lovely liquid foundations. Uh, you can if you want in a cheaper range, even Maybelline and Nykaa has good stuff. Bobbi Brown has lovely bases. How to make sure that the foundation is well blended into the hairline.
You have to blend it properly. See how I've done it. So you always take a brush and you can just blend it over. You can go into the hairline. Then only it's going to happen, the blending part. It doesn't matter it goes in the hair because you're going to blow dry or you're going to do any hairstyle on it. You're going to put spray. So the base is not going to hold on the hairline too much. This is a contouring part. I've used a darker color. And as you see, I've done 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. And I'm going to blend it properly.
Has to
With the
go all
same
way.
foundation brush. As you see step by step, so you can understand.
Tanmushri wants to know which foundation color from MAC is good for dusky skin.
I think NW35 I use actually, and I always add a little bit of Krylon in it, and it's DJ3. It's a deeper color, so I add little more.
It's more olive kind of a tone. It's a yellow or olive base.
And always make your contouring part little stronger because it's always like your underlayer has to be stronger. I'm using the same brush just to sharpen her nose. As you see, you can see the color. It's the same color.
Especially for runway, like I'm not like a real model, but the models have very more sharper jaw lines and all, and they want those features to be seen more clearly. Can make a little stronger jawline for me.
Yeah. Great. So
What
now
is the reason that the contouring or bronzing looks muddy? This is just the underlayer right now. It's not yet done.
this is an underlayer because
and the color is like that.
Yeah.
It's still blending on it.
So right now I'm going to use only so much cutting on it because later I'm going to cut it with the bronzing powder actually.
So somebody asked before that. Usha says, I have very dry skin, so whenever I apply foundation, my skin gets crack.
So I think you need to use a strobe cream. Strobe cream is nice and it gives you a little tint in it and it doesn't give you a dry skin. Even you apply the foundation on top of it.
Or even you can just mix like a drop of some oil serum in your foundation and then apply it if you feel that your foundation is making your skin very dry. If cream doesn't help, you can always mix it with a little bit of oil serum.
Now I'm going to use a translucent powder. I use a translucent powder. It's a
Krylon.
Krylon one, and it's called Anti Shine. It's an anti shine, and it's a white color powder. And I'm going to use on my brush, and I'm going to use it just little bit because I don't like my makeup to be very powdery, very cakey. I like little shine happening on her face.
And it looks good on the runway also because when the models come out in yellow light, their skin shines, and it really makes an impact if it's not very matte.
I'm using this color for the eyebrows now. I always try and use a brown eyeshadow. This is a brown eyeshadow which I use. It's like a little darker, chocolatey, darker brown. And I don't like my brows to be.
Hey, Manisha.
Hi, Manisha. Enjoy the session today. See the intensity of the eyebrow. The color I have used it should not be darker than this. It should be
So
fair enough. Yeah,
more of a dark brown,
yeah.
not a black. I think Vipul, it should match the color of your hair, right? The roots of your hair, your
Why
eyebrows
not?
should always match that.
Yeah, if you have a red hair, then you cannot match the red color on your eyebrows. But yeah, see now I always love doing the eyebrows, but I do it. You know how? I'll show you what's in my mind actually. I always like a arch from the bottom. I don't like arch from the top. So the eyebrows has to be shaped in such a way that your this point of your eyebrows has to be arched from the below. See, can you see me? If I'm pulling it little up, see your eyebrows are going quite nicely arched actually. So always remember, I've seen a lot of time people are doing the eyebrows. Are arch chahiye? So they try putting up the point upwards. No, that's a wrong way of doing it. Your arch always has to be from here. So if even you do this, see the eyebrows now.
Preeti, can you repeat your question, please? I think we missed out on your question.
Answer nahi diya, sir. Preeti, can you repeat your answer, please?
Question.
Question. I mean, sorry.
I think we missed it while doing it. So what are you doing?
Okay, I'm using the nice it's like a peachy twist.
Okay, she's asking HD makeup के products अलग होते हैं क्या और उसमें क्या?
See, HD products are different altogether. They are little
High definition.
high definition. I mean, they are little fine base. They're very very thin and they're very much they're consistent of holding the skin is little lesser than.
No, it's actually more. It's more or less what we are using because right now what we are using
It's
is
just
all
the name
professional
yeah,
products.
yeah.
HD makeup is supposed to stay on for a longer time, and whatever we are using, like all the professional brands like MAC and all, Krylon, MAC, they are all supposed to be HD.
Close your eyes. Watch me carefully the way I'm applying the eyeshadow. I'm just not going above the crease. I'm just putting on the eyelid actually, and I'm just blending it. And for the fashion show, always remember this is not the like a one layer color. You need to add at least couple of time to make it the intensity more stronger. And
Sorry. I feel like I can go a little over my crease because mine is very deep set eyes and you'll lose it otherwise.
yes.
It's a very nice neutral color, Vipul. I like the color.
Thank you. See now what I'm doing it. See the way I've done it. I've just gone. I've followed the guideline of the crease. Now I need to blend it. So I've taken a buffing brush, which I'm going to close your eyes, please. See, you can always blend it like that. So it doesn't give you a sharp line when your eyes are your eyeshadow doesn't look little more patchy at all. Just check now.
Priyali is asking eyelash कौन से company के? So eyelash, we have our friend here from Sea Soul. Her eyelashes are
Close.
beautiful, natural eyelashes, and Ardell के lashes. Lash, ये lashes natural जितना रहेंगे उतने अच्छे लगते हैं. Don't go for the plastic looking lashes.
This is my eyeshadow, and this is how I applied for it. And you need to blend it properly. And I've not used anything down because I'm going to show you the eyes, which I'm going to use an eyeliner in a different way today. And you will see it how I'm doing it. And I hope you
I'm
love it.
very excited about it. I've never done that kind of a liner. Um, it feels different to be on this chair and not doing things.
It's always remember the makeup should be very, very soft and nice.
Sandra's
And
asking which shade are we using? We actually using a blush for the eyelid. It's a peachy blush from MAC. It's called, I can't read the name.
peach twist.
Peach Twist.
Because I always see all these years I've learned something. If there is an eyeshadow, you don't need to use it for eyeshadow. You can use it for your lips. You can use it for your blush. You can do it anything. So for me, any of these blush or eyeshadow, I use it anytime and anywhere actually. So it doesn't matter. You have to use it for your blush only. No, I use it for any time, anywhere.
You can make it multitask actually, your products.
See, end of the day, you have to create the look, and when you're trying to create the look, it can be a lipstick also, your eyeshadow, and it can be a lipstick also. So always remember, maybe lipstick can be your blush also. So there is no restricted. You have to be uh, whatever you're visualizing in your mind, it has to come on the face. So for me, the working on backstage in a green room when I'm doing a show with any of the designer, they always give me a certain amount of area to play around it, and this is my clothes. The choreographer get involved, the designer get involved, and we make one face ready first. We take approval, we see how much stronger makeup, stronger lips, everything, and then we go for it. So these looks, what today's look I'm going to show you, they are amazing look actually. If you'll see it,
Not many times I think we face the outdoor indoor scene
yeah,
also.
yeah.
So
Look up, relax. I'm using the gel liner. So, guys, remember, I always like gel liner because it's a waterproof. Keep your chin down and eyes up. Yeah. Look up, and relax. Relax, relax.
nice. Somebody asked, we are from Delhi or Mumbai. We're very much
From
from
Mumbai,
Mumbai.
you're locked down.
Yeah.
Look down. Look. Look up.
What are your favorite eyeshadow palettes and individual shadows that you like using repeatedly?
I love a lot of earth colors actually, and I always use more of Estee Lauder product, even YSL and maybe Shiseido. Some of the, because you need to choose your, make your own palette. So I make my own palette. I have the magnetic palette which I pick the colors whichever I like it, and I make my own palette. I love warm colors actually. Look down, look up, chin down, and eyes up.
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, just something else.
Cotton bud. Cotton bud. Look at that. Just relax, relax.
Sorry, it's just you have to stay in one position for too long.
Blinking too much. Check, guys. Is it balanced properly?
Right.
Tell me if it is yes, then give me a thumb.
If I'm
Thumbs
not
up.
wrong, this look you had created like 15, 16 years ago on Madhu
Yeah.
Saprin
Yeah,
is the time
look up.
for Tarun's show. And then versions of this has been used on the red carpet, on editorials.
I've done
And
it
so
for
many
Tarun show,
other
and
events.
I still remember Madhu Sapre was my model. And if you see my Instagram, you may see those pictures. You have to scroll down a little bit because it was way. I think it was in what 90s,
Yeah,
19,
late 90s
late
when
90s and
Madhu
all. So
was
yeah,
still
so
walking the ramp.
I
So
think
more
they-
than about 20 years
Yeah,
back,
sure.
this look was created.
I'm
And
not.
it's still there. I've recently seen on Deepika also similar thing on a red carpet, and it has been a referral point for so many artists.
See, guys, I've put the liner on the bottom, but I'm not going to use a liner on the top lid actually. So I'm going to use a pencil, which I'm going to put it on the upper lid inside.
Upper tear lines.
Yeah, look down. Relax. Look down.
See, it gives a nice framing to the eyes, though, just by doing that kajal inside the tear line.
Now I'm going to add little more, one more layer. Look up, open your eyes. Look up.
What do you feel about the look, guys?
Guys, don't ask me the questions, please. I hope you like it, what I'm doing it, and I'm going to show you everything, what I know, my technique. Now I'm going to use a lashes on the. I'm going to use this one. Okay,
It's very natural,
natural
soft.
for soft one, and I need a lower lid stronger than the upper lid. So
So lashes are not too heavy.
they're very soft and mild, and they're not too heavy one. Close your eyes. Slight chin up. Did you see the lashes has to be put on a very between the skin and the eyelash on the upper lid? You need to always remember. I always believe in that when you're using a lashes, it has to go in one go. It cannot be you took it out, you put and you took it out. Always remember कि it doesn't stay properly. It has to
Yeah,
go in
it's very
one go.
gooey then.
In
Yeah.
one go, the lashes has to be stuck because after 2 3 times, if you try and take it out and put it back, it's lose the shape of the lash. Okay.
Delicate product, very patient procedure.
Lovely, it's looking. Now I'm going to go straight for the mascara, and always remember when I use mascara, it has to be little thicker. Maybe 3 4 times you can add it on, and make it more thicker. And application has to be you have to shake and then go up. So always this way and then go up. Look down.
Push it like outwards is what
Just
you mean, right?
look down, and always keep your thumb here so the mascara doesn't touches your eyelid. Okay. Wait. Look down. Keep looking down. See the difference.
Just push it a little up. Screen. Oops. My God, there's so many questions. Missed.
Hi, how do you set the
So I think
kajal
we missed a
doing
lot of questions. We'll just go through them quickly.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay. Sure, Monica. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you, Piali. You to take care of yourself. In summer, makeup starts to break up. My skin is British. Please guide me for best foundation and powder.
I feel Estee Lauder product will be good because if your pink pigment you have it, it seems like, and you need to buy an not NW NC series actually probably, and because I remember using a MAC earlier days when it was launched in India, and it was meant for the pink pigment actually, and we are all Asians are yellow pigment, so it used to go gray on our skin, and I figured out as I was using the foundation, and then I realized it's not meant for Indian skin; it's meant for the British skins, like a pink pigment. If you have it, use the Estee Lauder product; they are very good. Even Bobbi Brown, even Versace, and then Dior's products are also even good. Their foundations are very sheer and very nice. You
And I
can use
feel
it.
your cream, your moisturizer has to be more hydrating. So use serum instead. With gel liner, somebody asked. Yeah. Sorry. So gel liner, we're using a Black Track MAC gel liner. How can freelancer MUAs improve sanitation post the lockdown? Payal, that's the question of the day because right now we are all in that zone. Vipul, you want to elaborate?
I think during this time you need to be very, very careful. You have to cleanse your hands before you start, and that's what I did. I use this. I washed my hands with the soap actually before I started, and even my whole kit, my brushes and everything has been sanitized. And do remember this. This is going to be there all your life now because every makeup, every assignment when you go for it, people will ask you 10 times because our work is so close. People will make sure that whoever they're working with, they are good, they're clean, and they're sanitized, and they have a good makeup, in terms of good makeup in the sense it's not stale product. It has to be a fresh, you know. So always remember that. So this is going to be a part of our kit now. You need to have your sanitize, you need to have your cleansing brushes, liquid. Actually, you need to clean it up instantly. That's what I do all
After
the time.
every makeup, you'll have to clean your brushes.
In fact, when I do backstage, when I'm doing a fashion show, I have 20 girls. So what do? I don't have a 20 sets of brushes, but I have at least 4 to 5 sets of brushes, which I keep turning around, keep cleaning them. My puffs, my sponge, I carry like dozens of it actually, maybe more. So you need to keep yourself very healthy, very clean, and very fresh. What I feel I can say in a short way.
I don't know why this is not moving. Best oil-free moisturizer before makeup, which is a good one. So I think MAC has, I have seen they have gel-based moisturizers also. So instead of the cream-based, you can use a gel-based moisturizer as your pre-primer.
Glue or a lash?
कौन से लगाए आपने? Glue on lash.
I use Duo. One of my best.
Which
Eyelash gum
lessons
is the best. Is this?
this again? काजल कौन सा जेल लाइनर लगाया प्याली?
Pyali, how do you set the kajal during the summer? It's bleed. I think you can use a black track. It doesn't leak down. Even it's trying to. If you feel there's a leaking down, you can add little bit of some kind of a brown or maybe like a warmer color under the black liner shadow. You can just it will sustain for a whole day. Even you go and take your bath also, it will not leak.
Thanks, Sapna. So we carry on.
Look down. Okay. Look down. That's it. Yeah, look up. Lovely. Look up. Just 1 second. Okay. As you've seen, the upper lid mascara was like shake and go up, but my lower lashes mascara was vertical. I was like this, and I was trying to rub this way, so it doesn't touches your skin, and it doesn't touch your lower skin, and it doesn't give you the damage, any spots, black spots, and all. So I don't use it like that because it's going to be a spread all over. I always try and use it this way.
Pyle is also asking mascara wands being shared are very dangerous. how can makeup artists ensure sanitation while using mascara? I think you have to clean the spoolie
You have
part
to, yeah, you have
every
to,
time.
every time you take out the pulley and every time you finish the mascara with any of your client, you can rub it with your wet wipes and then put back the pulley in, you know.
And you have those,
Or you have a
nowadays,
disposable pulleys you get. So that's the way you
or you
can,
just, apply it on that and
yeah.
use that as
You
a
can put those
mascara.
pulley inside, use and throw. So they are use and throw ones. So you can buy those ones.
Yeah. For now, at least, I think that's a very good idea of using the disposable spoolies
And they're
and
easily available.
using them
Yeah.
as the wands.
I hope you like the eyes actually, guys. Show me the thumb. Come on, guys.
Thank you, Pyari.
After getting done with the eyes, I'm going to use I'm going to like try and give you the shading of her cheekbones, jaw lines, and how to build it up. I'm trying to use a little softer color right now. I'm trying to get the shape of the face properly. See.
So sweet of you, Pyari. Love you too.
See now I've already used the undercolor. So when you start putting the bronzer and trying to cut it everywhere, your jawline and cheekbones, so your undercolor always reflect actually. So you don't need to go with this uh, darker bronzer very strong. You little bit you put it and it just gives you a proper shape to your face, you know. Close your eyes. I'm using a Bobbi Brown. It's a sticky
Tint.
tint.
Hyla's asking, what is the makeup runway trend this season?
I feel this year is going to be a lot of. I think the bright colors will be back. What I feel because right now we are so all of us we are locked down. We are so people. Some people are depressed. We would love to see
See
some
some
colors.
color right
Yes,
now on the
yeah.
runway.
We need to be happy with some colors. You know, we need some happy.
And I think very strong, geometric lines are also back. Something like what we have done is very right now trending, or like geometric shapes. Cleopatra kind of liners.
Just look up.
Kirti, this is a Bobbi Brown pink tint. It's a cream blush. That is why Vipul was using it with fingers instead of a brush.
It's called Lips and Cheek. So it's a cream-based blush, and I always like this because you have a control with your finger. You can blend it properly, and even it stays for a longer time, and it doesn't look very powdery. Most of the time, all the cake blusher, and when you use it more and more, your this area become very cakey. So I don't like my foundation to be and my whole makeup to be very cakey. I like little soft. The skin has to glow. I like little shiny makeup actually. I love little sheen coming out here. I like on the nose, little bit of your greasy feel to it, and I love that because that's how you can. It suits my eyes actually because I always done it because on the ramp there are so harsh lights, so any color you use it goes flat. So you
Yeah.
minute you try and mold the face with the highlight or with the shine, your face is mold. So minute they're turning head ramp, the back, so it looks very nice on it on the ramp. Okay, guys, now it's a tricky thing. Now I'm going to use a very, very deep color.
You have to go a
The
little quick.
Yeah. Close enough. Smile. Smile. Yeah. Stay there. Stay there.
Sorry, the itch in my.
Stay.
What do you want me to?
Just smile and just open your mouth. Yeah, that's it. Stay there. No, you don't move. Open your mouth. Yeah. And just stay in that. Yeah. Stay there. Stay there.
Guys, I think we're just a little tight on time. We'll finish the look and then.
Smile. Smile. Not so much. Yeah. Maintain that. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Open your mouth. I hope you like the color. is the pencil which I've used from MAC. It's called Current, and I always love this pencil because all this while it was in my kit, and I've never tried it, and I've always wanted to use it, and I've used it for my couple of my shows, and it really um, it was hit
It was quite a
actually.
hit. And
Yeah,
after
yeah.
that, I think on brides also we've been able to
Yeah,
use
yeah,
this
yeah.
color.
And it's a very very warm color. It's a very winey, but it's a little deeper wine color, and I love this color
Somebody
actually.
just asked for the brides if the outfit is red.
Hmm.
And she doesn't want red lipstick. See, you have an option of using, if it is a dark color, you can go for something like this. And otherwise, there are a lot of matte options of going a little lighter with peachy tones, also look good with red.
Guys, the last thing what I'm going to
Thanks,
add
Emma.
a little bit of sheen over it. It's a Tom Ford. It's a multicolor. Two colors are there. One is a satin color and one is little warm color. It's a Tom Ford thing, and I love this actually. It gives me my finishing look. I hope you like it.
You can open there and then
Yeah.
complete the look. Then ramp look has to be complete with the hair,
It's okay.
outfit, accessories. Its overall look. So, guys, what do you feel about the look? And somebody asked you, so what would you suggest to the makeup artist, the budding makeup artist? What is your
I think
take on them,
always
and what
always
is your
remember
suggestion
one
to them?
thing. Always understand what you are doing it, what kind of a product you're using it, and you have to listen to
Armand
your.
is here. Hi,
Hello.
Armand.
I
I
hope
did
you
use
like it actually.
I
What
did
did
use
you
a
use as a
primer.
primer for the face? And say what
So I had used strobe cream from MAC
MAC, yeah.
as the primer because it gives the little glow
Glow.
later.
Because for the ramp you need a little bit of glow, and it really works for it actually. Okay, lipstick shades. What? Okay, I've already mentioned that I've used a MAC lipstick which is called Current.
Current. Yeah.
And I've just used only this thing, and I've used a little bit of lip balm over that with my lipstick brush. I've just tried to blend it.
You've just used the pencil right
Yeah,
now,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
No
yeah.
lipstick.
That's it. It's called Current. I always believe in lipstick. In a pencil because it stays
Thanks,
for a long
Arman.
time. Thank you, Arman. And I always believe that lipstick doesn't stay for a longer time because most of the time they're very fruity and nice. So most of these girls and models they eat it up. So this
I'm
stays
one of
for a
them,
long.
for
This
sure.
stays for a very very long. So I always like to use more pencil than the lipsticks. I have
Yes.
tons of lipstick, but I try and use it sometime, but not every time. Every tone suits this lip color. I feel you have to try. You have to try. I feel it may suits. I have tried on a darker skin also. I've tried on a very fair skin also, and a not very in between skin also, and it works actually. As far you balance your eyes very soft, your mouth has to be stronger than your eyes has to be softer. So always remember that.
And it gives lovely contrast with, I
Yeah.
think, grays, beige,
It gives you more modern.
silver clothes and all. It just brings out the outfit. White outfits, black outfits. It can go with whatever color of outfits also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I hope you loved it. I hope you like my technique, the way I use it. Light, very soft and nice, and make it much more one element stronger when you're doing the ramp makeup. I always feel if your mouth is very strong, then the eyes are softer. Your eyes are very soft, then the lips are stronger. I'm going to quickly show you. I
It's a
hope we
balance.
have a
We
time.
don't have time. I think we are done.
You're done.
We are done. We would love to come back sometimes, and do some other look. Are you moving away from false? No, I'm wearing it. You can't make out.
We have already applied
I'm
it
not-
actually.
I'm already, but they are very natural lashes.
You can go closer actually. You can
see.
show him. See, their lashes are there.
But because the lower eye was stronger, we didn't go for a very heavy upper eyes. Guys, can you see the look more closely?
Laila Sharma, how are you?
So, guys, hope you've enjoyed.
I
We
I
have.
enjoyed myself doing this because
Yeah, me too.
and
Playing the model today.
and I didn't have a model, so I said like Shamli is the best partner of my and I said okay, let me get her on board, and we both of us decided like we should go both of us together, and I hope you like the look actually, and it's a very simple method, simple way of using the stuff what I've showed you. Don't make yourself complicated because more you go into complication, more you confuse. So make sure that you know what you're doing it. I knew it what I'm going to do it. The way I put the liner, I knew it what I'm going to do it. So make it simple and clean and strong.
Same here, Arman. We are looking forward. This lockdown should get over soon and we all can meet up very soon. You can travel here.
Or you can call us there. We'll be there for you. Well, thank you so much for
Thanks so
this.
much, guys. So I think we'll go off
Do we have a time?
now.
No.
No, we are done. So we'll hope to come back again and do something, some different thing for you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Guys, I think we got some more time. If you want to join us back, we are here to show another look. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are hoping to build up from this loop. Carry.
Carry on.
Yeah.
Okay. Now from here, I'm going to build it up. Yes.
This was the previous runway look we had done with a stretched lower liner, if you can see. And now we are building up another look from here for runway only.
Close your eyes. Lovely. It's okay. Open. Look up. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's all. Yo.
So this is the extension of the earlier look,
liner, which I've
and
made
this
it a little
is
more
like a more
squarish. Yeah.
geometric feel from that look. Can you see?
Glitter, glitter.
Are we building something on this Vipul, still?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we have some comments, please?
Glitter.
You guys like this look?
Oh, ये चीज़।
Sorry about that.
I'm going to add little bit of glitz to it.
Oh.
Wow. I hope you like it.
So what Vipul has added is powder pigment.
It's a powder pigment, but it's a glitter pigment from MAC only again. And I've just add on little bit in the center of the lips. And as you see, it's looking so nice. Looks different, but earlier one was even
Yeah.
more beautiful. I know, I'm just showing you a little bit
This
more
is just a variation, you know.
in
I mean,
that. See, what you can do, always remember, your makeup always has to be a little more versatile. And even you make a better makeup, then you need to know one step higher. How can you take it? So these are the little technique what I'm trying to show you, which I've just made it a little squarish, because these kind of a makeup works on the RAM,
yeah.
and its visibility is much more stronger also. So earlier also is better. You're right. I loved it. It's a very classy. But I'm just showing you the second part of it. Actually, you can extend it. And I hope you like it. Actually, I think that's it for me for this one particular this look, and I hope you loved
If you
it.
guys are on, then probably you can just smoke it up, and we can take it from here only and make it smoky.
It's a very easy way of doing this smoky eyes. Like if you see what I've used a eyeliner only, which black track, which I'm going to buff it up now. And you have to quickly buff it up, because what happened, the black track always get dry super fast. See that? So if you're fast and quick, it will work for you. If you're late by a few seconds also, it will dry up very fast. And make sure that you blend it properly. If you don't, then it's become very, very patchy. It's a very tricky color. Physics.
Strong looks actually really work well on RAM, but then they have to balance out the outfits also.
Yes. Close this. Huh? Line it. Close this. Close. Close. Look up. Check this out, guys.
Falguni is saying the camera. What do you mean by that, Falguni? You can't see us?
Wow, Anushka is saying lovely. And what I've done now, I've just used the black track, I've smudged it, buffed it, and over that I've just used a little black eyeshadow with my soft hand, with my soft blending brush, which is this one, and I've just used little sketch on the corner of the eyes, and I've gone into the socket as well to make it a little more softer, and is that's the result. What you get. And it's a strong eyes, strong lips, even work. See, now you can see it. So till you don't do it, you don't know how it's
Yeah.
going to work. So always remember that you always have to try, error, and you always have to play with the colors.
I think we
And
should add a little bit of highlighter. You have
maybe,
it?
maybe.
Can't see full. Is that better?
See the eyes. I've used a bit of NARS product, which is I have a satin and a bit of copper. So I've used a satin color on the highlight part, and this is what the look you get. I feel the overall makeup, the intensity of the makeup, and the lips, the eyes is balancing very nicely. And even for the ramp, these kind of a looks really works because most of the designers love little strong eyes, or most of the designers love little softer mouth also. So these, I think, one of my favorite look actually. So I'm just sharing the ideas and yeah.
So thank you guys. Time, I think, finally now to sign off. And please stay healthy, stay safe, stay indoors till everything comes to normal.
Yeah.
Right?
Stay
And
safe.
to all the upcoming makeup artists, please follow advice and keep your stuff and yourself sanitized when you approach your clients. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.